Hello and welcome to Boresha Jamii TV, a channel that brings you stories, knowledge, and empowerment that leads to stronger and healthier communities. Today, we are going to focus on something many families are living with quietly, that is, chronic illnesses. Such are diabetes, hypertension, asthma, epilepsy, heart diseases, and others. We talk about chronic disease clinics, the special clinics, designed to give continuous quality care for these long-term conditions. Let's understand what they are, why they matter, and how they can help you and your loved ones. What are chronic disease clinics? Chronic disease clinics are specialized units within health facilities where people with long-term conditions receive regular checkups, medication, monitoring, counseling, and lifestyle guidance. These clinics ensure that even though the disease may not be curable, it can be controlled, allowing individuals to live productive and healthy lifestyles. Why chronic disease clinics matter? Chronic diseases are rising in our communities due to lifestyle changes, genetics, stress, poor diet, and lack of screening. The chronic disease centers help by early detection and diagnosis, continuous monitoring. For example, they check the blood pressure, the sugar levels, among many other things, preventing complications like stroke, kidney failure, blindness, and heart attack, ensuring consistent medication supply, improving the quality of life, reducing hospital admissions. When you check early and these diseases are found, you're placed on treatment early to prevent them from going to levels that may require admission in the hospital. A well-managed chronic condition saves families high treatment costs and emotional stress. Common conditions managed in the chronic disease clinics. 1. There is hypertension or high blood pressure. There's diabetes, both type 1 and also type 2, asthma, epilepsy, heart diseases, chronic kidney disease, arthritis, and long-term inflammatory conditions, sickle cell disease. What happens during the clinic visit? A typical chronic disease clinic visit may include the following: registration and vital sign check, review by the clinician, lab test where needed, medication refill, lifestyle counseling, that is on diet, exercise, smoking cessation, stress management, referral if complications are suspected. Patients are encouraged to keep every appointment because continuous care is what keeps chronic conditions stable. The role of the community and the family. Chronic illness is not an individual journey, it's a community one. Therefore, support loved ones to attend clinics. Remind them to take medication. Encourage healthy eating at home. Reduce stigma around chronic illnesses. Promote regular screening in the community. There have been some myths and misconceptions. And the first one is you feel fine, so you assume you are cured. The truth is, chronic diseases require lifelong care, even when there are no symptoms. The other one is taking medication daily means you're weak. That is not true. The truth is, medication helps control the disease and prevent complications. The other myth I've heard is chronic conditions are for the elderly people only. The truth is, young people and children also experience them. Do not wait for symptoms to worsen. Chronic diseases are silent. A simple visit to the clinic could save your life. Thank you for joining us on Boresha Jamii TV. Now, chronic diseases may be lifelong, but with proper care through the chronic disease clinics, people live long, healthy, and productive lives. I am Joyce Kwamboka, and this has been another empowering episode dedicated to your health. Stay informed, stay healthy, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Bye. See you next time. Thank you.